The best part of some of these Italian fabrics is how unusual they are. This is 100% viscose knit. I just love all the colors and all the color blends. It has stretch in both directions. One direction. It has a little bit of stretch, but it's really not enough to use. Isn't that pretty? Just all the spring colors. It's just so beautiful. So I mixed this with a red. These are, again, all Italian. This is a red. This is a cotton poly. Beautiful for so many things that can be done. This is actually 100% cotton that pairs with it. It's a little bit of a stretch cotton, but it doesn't have a lot of stretch to it. But again, just really pretty. This is a panel. You can see the colors in that panel. They start with the reds and the pinks, the innuendos, and they go into the brown tones. So many things that can be done with that. That panel is a yard, and so that fabric will be priced by the yard. It has, I'm sorry, it's 100% viscose, has stretch in both directions. Then we have this beautiful floral of hot pinks and reds, just a really pretty combination in this group. And this has stretch again in both directions, and it's 100% viscose. And then 100% cotton. Love this fabric, just absolutely love it. Just solid, beautiful, stretch in both directions, great hand, great drape, which is the name of all of these. And we're just thrilled to bring them to you. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.